Ke United Democratic Party UDP kala Pynpaw ya ke Jingsngew jemut ba ke Regional Democratic Alliance RDA kan job ya ke election MP Lok Sabha National Parliamentary Constituency. Ke RDA ke badai ke kenhun jong ke seng UDP bat HSPDP kan penyeng da Presiden barim ke HYC ba Robert John ka jerin na ke seng UDP na ke Shillong Constituency. Hak baya day bat ke jing penkre ke election Bapa loong bakaseng kalau ada banyak syakmat hakalenti ke badai.
The party has already started moving in the right direction. Various constituency committees are meeting, and the candidate is touring various parts already. He has visited West Khas Hills in the past 1 week, and we hope that we should be able to complete his taking part in various meetings within the prescribed time by the Election Commission.
What are the issues that the UDP and under the RDA are going to the people to seek their support to ensure that this time candidate from the regional force will get to represent the voice of the people of Meghalaya in Parliament?
Well, various issues have already been spelled out by our candidate at the when he was declared as the official candidate. Those issues are very vital, and we're fortunate that we have been able to select the best possible issues which are relevant to the Lok Sabha. And that apart, since two major regional parties have come together under this alliance, and also at a time when the aspirations of regional parties is going to be a major focal point of the Lok Sabha elections, we are very optimistic that our candidate will sail through.